welcome back to the channel. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and roll your notifications to all so you don't miss any of the demonic content. Our term for today at Talk Like a Professor is apocalypse. The term comes from the Greek word apokalypsis, literally meaning a revelation, an unveiling, or a disclosure. It's a term that is typically used to refer to a body of literature in which divine beings disclose information about the world or the worlds beyond this one through direct contact or visions. Thus, we would classify works like, say, The Shepherd of Hermas, The Apocalypse of Peter, The Apocalypse of Adam, The Apocalypses of James, The Apocalypse of Paul, and The Ascension of Isaiah, just to name a few, within this category. Now, there's a solid chance you've never come across any of these works before, and that's because most groupings of the New Testament will have just one apocalypse. That is, the Apocalypse of John, or what is often referred to as Revelation. In the singular, mind you, since it's just one ongoing disclosure rather than multiple revelations. Since John also deals with eschatology, or the end of all things, and what it looks like, we tend to think of an apocalypse as dealing with the end of the world. While not technically true, largely due to this, the term apocalypse has come to mean the end of the world, much in the same way that Armageddon refers to a location in Megiddo, but can also be used to mean the end of the world as well.